Hello, you're welcome to this mini SEO course. In this course, you're going to be learning how to analyze any website, spy on your competitors, and use the information you have gathered to outrank them or to dominate them. So the purpose of this is the knowledge you are going to acquire in this class, in this video you can use it to research your competitors, know what they are doing, know the kind of hosting they are using, know the kind of keyword they are using, know how they are ranking, where they are ranking, know even have idea of where their traffic is coming from. Apart from that, you can also use that to offer an SEO audit service to a client. So you can go out there, audit someone's website, and look at what they are not doing right, what is wrong with their website. Use it, generate a report. You can even generate a white label report and send to them. Then you can now offer to help them fix the problem. Or you can even offer it as a service to people by doing SEO audit their website, know what is wrong with their website. I know someone that charge around $300, $500 for SEO audit, just to audit your website, to tell you what is wrong with your website and what need to be fixed. And then when you do this, it become a lead generation for you, because you help someone, you audited their website, you told them what's wrong, then they want to give you the job to fix it. So that is what you are going to be learning in this course. So pay attention. This is an opportunity for you to make good money from SEO, even without being an SEO guru. So search engine optimization is a big deal, and it's not. Some people, someone was asking the other day if SEO is dead. No, SEO is not dead. It's getting better every day, and everybody, it's an opportunity for you, if you can master SEO, to generate free traffic, free organic traffic. Mostly people who are looking for you on the internet. So you can do this for yourself, use this for your website, for other people's website, for client or prospective client, use it, generate, and all those things. So at the end of this course, you will be able to analyze any website, you'll be able to spy on your competitor, you'll be able to audit your prospective client or client's website, then generate a report of what is wrong and offer a service to help them fix it, or even offer SEO audit as a service. So that's what you're going to learn. You'll be able to do at the end of this course. So you want to stay till the end of this course. Now, before I proceed, now if you're going to be watching this video via YouTube channel, try to like, give us a thumb up, and then subscribe to the YouTube channels. You're going to see a subscribe channel, and then there's a notification button, because we're going to be pushing out enough content that's going to help you do things better, help you make more money with your website or online. So now let's proceed. Now we're going to be using a cloud-based software called SEO Blazer. Yes, SEO Blazer is an amazing tool you can deploy. Yes, it's an amazing tool you can deploy to use for your for this purpose. That means to analyze any website, spy on your competitors, audit your client website or prospective client website, and you can now go and use the information you have gathered to get the website better, or outrank your competitor, or use it to dominate your market. SEO Blazer is one. Now, why SEO Blazer is an amazing platform? Yes, if you go, let me go you. This is the website, the SEO Blazer. That's www.seoblazer.com. SEO Blazer. You can see here. So it's easy for you to quickly memorize and look out for. Now let's check. This SEO Blazer have 54 SEO tools in one place. Yes, and there are a lot of them. I'm going to show you how this. But the SEO Blazer as a tool is a paid tool. but I will share with you how you can get back door access to SEO Blazer. I'm going to show you. It's a tool that you should look for. It's a tool you should get, you should be using. So they have a lot. So let me quickly have a walkthrough of what SEO Blazer is. It's a 54 in one Visual Analytics and SEO tools. It's an amazing to a cloud, amazing 54 in one cloud-based search engine optimization tool to help you keep track of your SEO issues and help you to improve the visibility of your website in search engines. It also helps you to optimize web content by analyzing content for keyword, on-site link, and other SEO consideration. With SEO Blazer, you can analyze your website, any other website, and spy on your competitor and use the gathered information to outrank or dominate them. That's what I just explained. Then you can go out further to get Alexa information, who is that most that search engine index, Google page rank, and a lot of things that you can get from SEO Blazer. So how do you get it? Now, when you get access to it, definitely it's a premium tool. So I will discuss about that later. But once you have gotten access, you can just see a login link up here. Yes, and it's also very good on mobile. In case you are using mobile, you can just scroll down. If you are not find, you can find that it's an option for you to log in. So once you log in, oh, come on, then you find yourself in this environment. You need to log in to use the tool, and these are the tools you're going to be using. Let me quickly log in so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now you need to use the captcha there. Now click sign in. Now don't be surprised, for you to get login detail you must have registered you must have gotten access, you must have had those things. And in case the theme, the look of the site change, don't just get worried, see the same thing. There are multiple appearances you can see there. So now let's go. We're going to look at this. Now there are so many tools you can use here. You have article rewriter, keyword suggestion, a lot of keyword position checker, keyword density checker, domain authority, backlink, and the website reviewer that we're going to use a lot. Domain authority, you have a lot. Search engine stimulator, Alexa rank checker, page speed checker, page speed insight, website screenshot generator. So many things that you can take advantage of. It's 54 tools. If you want to know anything about any website, yes. But for the purpose of today's training, we're going to be working purely on auditing a website. Now, let's assume I'm looking for people that sell health products. For example, people that sell health products or people that do some things, I want to know more about them. So I can just take their website and look at, is there anything they are doing right? Is there anything I can suggest for them to do? Or just so I heard this website. Let's quickly try to work on a website now and see what we can get. So now up here, once you log in, you see start web review. And in case you can't find it, just scroll up, look for web. Just type web review here at the search web review reviewer. Okay, web reviewer. You see it here, so you can use it. It's going to bring out this same thing. Now the website I want to quickly check on. I'm trying to look at a popular website I can look at. Let me look at okay. Let me look at let me see. Let me check Jeffy Zoo. .com. Yeah, Jeffy's website is a popular marketplace where people a lot of digital products and softwares, ebook, downloadable softwares and services are sold there. So it's a website. I don't. I'm not putting any code anywhere. I just want to um, scan the website. So you can do this for your competitors and know what they are doing right, know what they are doing better, know how you can do better, know have idea of resources they are using. Now what you are seeing here is the score. The score of website are going to be different based on how they structure the website. So now we're trying to scan live is JVSU. JVSU is a digital product marketplace. I think they also have physical product, but it's more of a software launch. A lot of software launch, coaches and all, coaching and all that stuff. Now, there are two options here: update data. That means maybe you come back here, you can update the data. Maybe you just want to feel what's going on. You see, it's showing us the date. I'm doing this May 7, 2021. Yeah. Then this is a report. Download report. This report you can brand it. We're going to come back to that later. So I think we need to check what is our report on. What is it getting us? Let's go. Now, firstly, you can look at the title tag. It's telling you length for character is giving a green. That means it's okay. What they have there. Then meta description. Say there's no meta description there. Why JVC don't have meta description? Okay. No keywords. Reason why maybe something is hidden. Their head tag is having green. That means they have all their head tags well done. You can see show. So that means anywhere you see green, that means they are doing fine. So, but there's also a suggestion. So you have a suggestion now. Google preview. No description. Why there's no description for JV? So I don't know, but this is what it's showing. When there's a full description for metadata for the front page, I guess the JVZO are not paying attention to their own page to put description. I don't know why that's happening. Then alternative attribute to image is giving them green. That means they are doing well. Then the keyword cloud. You see a lot of things that are common. The keywords are common. You can see support, affiliate, so you have an idea. So you can do this. Then keyword consistency is not so cool. These are the keyword I was able to bring out. Someone's not so cool. Yeah. So now their text to HTML ratio is green. So their content size is 9,746 bytes. You see. So then GC compression. Now let's assume this place is showing red. You just go and tell them, oh, your GC compression is not good, so I can help you do something. Then www result is redirecting fine. Now this one is putting orange. That means there's something they are not doing right when it comes to canalization, the IP still. So yes, now in-page link is talking about total link. They have a lot of links. So it's putting that broken links. Wow. So JVSU work on their system. They don't have any broken link. So you can see. So if there's a website that have broken link, you can tell them, oh, you have broken links. So I can help you do a lot of this. Then they have XML sitemap. They have it. Robot.txt. These are the things that SEO search engines robot need to index a website. Then they have robot text files on their side. URL right is fine. Underscore URL great. Embedded object. So now it's saying iframe. Oh no, iframe content have been detected on this page. That means they have iframe there, and iframes are not really good for SEO. So you can tell them. Now you're getting detailed information about JVSU. Talking about how many years and months. Domain age 10 years. That means this domain was registered 10 years, 40 days ago. That's an amazing tool. Then it was created 28th of March 2011, updated 26th of February 2021, and the next expiring date is going to be 20th of March 2022. So by next year, 20th of March, the domain is expiring, then they would have renewed it before then. Then you can also access their whois data. See, whois does name, that means they register their domain with Namecheap. So, you see? So these are the information you can gather. So it depends on what you, and then you can know who's their registration, when it's expiring. So many things you can gather here. See, you can see this amazing tool. Yes, amazing tool. Now let's go to how mobile friendly they are. It's awesome. This page is mobile friendly, and you can see it's adapting very well. Let's assume the customer you are auditing the website for, their mobile, their site is not mobile, it's not so good. You're going to see here. So it's a thing you will do. Mobility, compatibility, bad embedded object embedded. So if you are to talk to Jeffisu, these are one of the things you're going to put. This thing that is showing red, that is not good. So you can show them. Now URL Jeffisu learn 5 character, favicon, custom page, it's green. I think they have a lot, and their load time is 0.68 seconds. Then oh no language, they have not declared any language. Then domain availability, so you can be so sure the domain similar to that they've already registered it. That's another thing. If you say, well, a popular website that refuses to register, some people do use it as a domain, or let's say they just register and see if they can sell it later. Then top availability, they're all registered by someone. Email privacy, no email address found in plain text. So in case people are leaving their email at plain text, you can quickly tell them and how you can help them. And the website is not blacklisted. So you can also, this will tell you if it's a website that is full of spam, spyware, or phishing and all those things. So you will know this. It has not been blacklisted by anybody. And this is the IP address, and the server location is, the service provider is using Cloudflare because they are using Cloudflare. So their hosting surely might be different. I'm not so sure, but this is telling you about their service where they are hosting. But because they use Cloudflare, that Cloudflare could have really cover the hostings they are using. The tip for storing fast loading estimates. So it's telling them perfect your website. Too bad your website is using inline style. So these are the things you can point to Jeffisu. Maybe there's something you can do. Now it's, oh, that's funny. How is that possible? Okay. I'm not so sure if this okay, but the system is not going to lie. That means they don't have like something like Google Analytics installed, but something must be wrong. They should have analytics too. Yes. Now, so you just look at all these index pages in search engine. How many pages do you have in Jeffisu? 29,200 pages. Yes, backlink on how many people are linking to that. You see, they have a lot. So if it's your competitor that is having this, you can hold if you're a blogger, you see your fellow blogger having this kind of backlink, then you might have to go and do research and find out who are they linking from. Yes, social data, Twitter, Instagram is not there. They're not doing that. Estimated worth. Oh, now that's another thing. It's trying to estimate. Okay, if you want to sell this website, how much are they going to sell it now? Say 417,384 US dollar. And then the ranking in the world, 5,376 most visited website in the world. Oh, okay, your website is popular in the following country: United States, India, Nigeria. Wow. United States, India, and Nigeria. Wow. So that is the end of the report. If you want to check another website, you put it here and you click analyze. It will override this. Let's go up there. So once you are done with this, maybe you want to do this. You want to send it to your customer or your client, or just want to have, you just click on download report. So you can see you have idea of what your competitor is doing. or what is their weakness. Then information you have gathered here, you can now use it to plan. You can now use it. Then this is just one tool out of 54 tools that are available at SEO Blazer. So you can, and the way we use this, you can easily use any of the SEO Blazer tools. They're easy, and yeah, easy to use. Then you can look at the keyword, look at the use article rewriter, use a lot like that. Now, okay, now the PDF is trying to come up. You're going to see the report of what we just did now. Wow, now you see it's carrying SEO Blazer. One good thing is when you get access to SEO Blazer, you can replace this SEO Blazer with your own logo when you get the access to library. This report is 21-page report, PDF report. You can see review of jfc.com generated on Audit. So you have the whole report here. Introduction is going to tell you your mark is grade of 100 points. It's going to tell you, you're going to see the report here. Half idea, then it's going to tell you everything, and it's telling you what is wrong. You see. So you can do this to your website. Sit down then and come and read the report. It's telling you something is wrong, and it's trying to give you a guide. So imagine you have this and you generate it and you send it to complaining, and it's telling you and send it to a client, and the same thing will be generated it as a report. So don't worry if you get access. There's a white label option, so you can put your logo automatically. So when you are generating your own report, your logo shows here. It's not showing SEO Blazer. So your clients will not know the tools you are using. So now imagine you generate this 21 page report, and you look at a client who has so much issue to fix, and you send it to them as a lead and tell them you can help them fix the problem. Are you getting it? So, or even you can offer this as a service. People do a lot of that. SEO audit, so you can audit people's website and charge them $200, $300, $500 to do this simple thing. You can do that. That's a lot of money. You can offer, and you can start your SEO agency from here. So that's just it. Now it's opening on browser. It depends at times. The setting of your browser can automatically download, but my own, I think the setting is to open the PDF file. So I'm going to download so that I can come back for it later. So in case I want to see you just send as an attachment and you do a write-up. The person is going to wow, details analysis of my website. So you can do these things to the same thing to your competitors. Sit down and look at, oh wow, this is a report. The best of thing you can have is data about what your competitors are doing right. So that can help you guide and make decisions. And you can do this for your clients too. Yes, you can do this for your clients too. So I've saved it. So that's all. Now there are other tools. Yes, there are other tools. But we're not going to cover that in this video, maybe in subsequent video, but they are easy to use and simple. Maybe we're going to be having more other stuff, how to use other tools in subsequent video. Now I can update the data. Once I click update data, it's going to look for something that has not been added. Now the total score for JFusion 72, that means they are not really doing bad, but they need to do better, like getting to 80 and above. So that's what you can do. Then there are more. You want to look for more tools. You have SEO tools, but we're not going to touch most of the other tools. But I can quickly tell you what you have here. You have article rewriter. Now, in case you are copying an article or you are buying PLR content, you can bring the articles here to rewrite for you. This will suggest software, keyword for you. Now, if you want to be sure that article you are posting, it has not been posted somewhere online, this will guide you. You can check your keyword position. Website reviewer is what we just used the other time to get our report. Backlink maker, domain authority checker. You have a lot of these too. You can just visit SEOblazer.com. So when you click on login, you can come here and you see all these tools here. Now that is just it. Now, so 54 of those tools in one place, one login and access to all of them. So you can use this. There are a lot of things you can use. If you are into SEO, some of these tools are very, very, very useful. One of these days we're going to produce a subsequent video that I'm going to be talking about how to use each of one or two or three of those tools is into use. So that's just it. Okay, so now let me quickly, so in case if you want to go back to the main site, then if you want to have a list of the features, the tools there, you can get it. You have demo and all those things. Now this is the most important thing I want to share with you. So how do you get access? How do you get access to SEO Blazer? It's a premium tool, it's not free tool, so you got to pay for it. Now let's go there. Click on pricing. When you go back, you click on this home. So you go back here and you click on pricing. Even from the other place you can. Now let's go there. Now they have options that are the list. There are couples of plans. Then there is a gold monthly. You pay $10 for this. $99 a year or $499 lifetime. Yes, that's how much people pay to get access. But don't worry, I have a secret I want to share with you. I'm going to show you how you can get access to this software through the back door. Yes.